We've got phone here which have a problem with this back camera. So basically it's vibrating once you on it. It's a 6S Plus, or it's flickering kind of and making noise. So the easy way to get it done, if you have some kind of magnetic and you keep it here for time being, it will stop. That's only for time being, but as soon you remove that magnetic from there, it will start again, all shaking and making noise. We are changing it. So first of all, you open the bottom screws. Really hard because it's never been open. Usually you have to heat it a bit before you're removing the screen, but I'm just doing it as it is. That's why it's a bit stiff and hard. Right, next step, battery disconnection. Disconnect the battery, and then third step, disconnect the LCD screen and remove it. Now the camera is lying here. You have got a few screws first we need to open. Right, so it's basically two screws. One was here and one is here. There's two screws. Then you remove the metal plate, and then disconnect camera flex from here.
Yes, bro. So you get that quote.
The new camera connected here, metal tray on top.
No, I'm talking, I'm saying if it falls, because I work with heavy machinery, if it falls on my foot. You know the ones, bro, where when you look at it, it's all solid and rigid around the edges.
Yeah, but that's the other one I have to go back.
You're not listening to
I
me.
do, yeah, I'm listening to you.
What I'm saying, brother, is there are certain cases, when you look at them, they're not smooth like this. They're like made out of hard plastic. You put the phone in it and you can fucking drop it and it doesn't damage
What
it.
I want to know. I've got that one at the minute.
Alright, fair enough, fair enough.
Yeah.
No
if you want a
problem.
man case or whatever, you know, you can do it.
I'm not about to. She's like, see this one? This was in there. This case similar to that one. This fell. This is broke.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So what I'm after is like a. I don't know what they call them now. But it's rock hard, solid. It's got an edging all the way around it. So 175, yeah.
Yes.
And when could you have it done for?
That will be tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I don't want you to rush it because I had a screen change on my Sony by. I can't even put my hand up and say it was you here or him there, or it was a shit job. The screen was peeling off, peeling off.
I don't know.
So what I'm saying to you is, I'll leave you the phone, but I want to do it absolutely properly.
I will do it properly like that. No worries.
And I don't want you to rush.
Okay.
I'm going to come for it. I'll give you a deposit,
Yeah, that's fine.
and I'll come for it, not this Friday, next Friday, because I'm going to work in Scotland tomorrow morning.
That's fine.
Yeah?
That's fine.
Alright, let's do it. Save that time.
Yeah, make some reports. Yeah, that's it.
I did say that I'd do that. There's the phone.
Okay.
See, these cases are shit. So I'll find my own case. But there's the phone.
Yeah.
How much deposit do you want?
Just whatever you want, just give me £50.
Right. Give me what's right in the pocket right now. Look at that. Well done, mate.